Welcome to TechCaliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to open Task Manager on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, I'm going to show you guys 4 methods to do it. So, 4 of this method are gonna complete the same task, which is open your Task Manager. So, let's go to the first task. At first, go to the right side of your keyboard, and from here, press on Control, Alt, and Delete together. The delete on top of the arrow keys. So, just press on Control, Alt, and Delete together, and this screen should come up. From here, just select Task Manager and your Task Manager should open. And another way to do it physically from your keyboard is to go on the left side of the keyboard. From here, click on Shift, Control, and Escape together, and Task Manager should directly open up. And the third method to do this is just go to your taskbar, right click on it, and click on Task Manager, and your Task Manager should open up. And another way you can do it is by clicking on Windows plus R, or just open up the run command. In here, just type Task Manager, TASKMGR, and click on OK. This will also open the Task Manager. Now these are the 4 steps, and if you want the 5th steps, just go to your Start button. From here, just search for Task Manager, and in the best matches you'll find Task Manager. You can just open it from here as well. And these are 5 methods. And basically that is how to open Task Manager on your Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.